Another day, another story. Sustainable energy options. Where are we heading in future? Here are several sustainable energy resources that are gaining popularity and seeing increased investment and development. Here are a few examples. 1. Solar energy. Solar energy is one of the fastest growing renewable energy sources. Solar panels are becoming more efficient and cost-effective, making it easier for homes and businesses to generate their own electricity from the sun. In addition, large-scale solar farms are being built to provide electricity to entire communities. 2. Wind energy. Wind energy is another fast-growing renewable energy source. Advances in wind turbine technology have made it possible to generate more electricity from fewer turbines, and wind energy is becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels. 3. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy uses heat from the Earth's core to generate electricity. While geothermal energy is not as widely used as solar or wind energy, it is a reliable and sustainable source of energy that has the potential to provide a significant amount of electricity. 4. Hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cells are being developed as an alternative to traditional batteries for electric vehicles. Fuel cells generate electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen, producing only water as a byproduct. Bioenergy. Bioenergy involves using organic matter, such as crops or waste, to generate electricity or heat. Bioenergy is a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels and can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, sustainable energy resources are seeing rapid development and investment as the world seeks to transition away from fossil fuels and towards a more sustainable energy future. Energy storage. Energy storage technologies, such as batteries, are becoming increasingly important as more renewable energy sources are integrated into the grid. These technologies help to store excess energy generated from renewable sources and release it when needed, improving the stability and reliability of the energy system. Tidal energy. Tidal energy is a form of hydropower that generates electricity from the movement of ocean tides. While it is still in the early stages of development, tidal energy has the potential to provide a significant source of renewable energy, particularly in coastal regions with strong tides. Wave energy. Wave energy is similar to tidal energy, but generates electricity from the movement of ocean waves. While it is also still in the early stages of development, wave energy has the potential to provide a significant source of renewable energy in coastal areas with strong wave activity. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a process that generates energy by fusing atoms together, and is seen by some as a potential breakthrough technology for sustainable energy. While it is still in the experimental stages, nuclear fusion has the potential to provide a virtually unlimited source of clean energy, with no greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, there are many sustainable energy resources that are seeing increasing investment and development as the world seeks to transition away from fossil fuels and towards a more sustainable energy future. While some of these technologies are still in the experimental stages, others, such as solar and wind energy, are becoming increasingly cost-competitive and widely used. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is generated by burning organic matter, such as wood or crop waste, to produce heat or electricity. While it is not as widely used as some other renewable energy sources, biomass energy is a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels and can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon capture and storage, CCS. CCS is a technology that captures carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and other industrial sources and stores them underground or reuses them in other applications. While it is not a renewable energy source, CCS can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuel-based power generation and other industrial processes. Smart grids. Smart grids are an important component of the transition to a sustainable energy future. Smart grids use advanced technology to monitor and control electricity generation, transmission, and consumption, allowing for greater integration of renewable energy sources and more efficient use of electricity. Overall, the development and adoption of sustainable energy resources are crucial to mitigating climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. While some of these technologies are still in the early stages of development, others, such as solar and wind energy, are becoming increasingly cost-competitive and widely used. As the world continues to prioritize sustainability and the transition to renewable energy, we can expect to see continued investment and development in these and other sustainable energy resources. 1. Green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is produced through the process of electrolysis, which uses renewable energy to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. This technology has the potential to provide a clean, efficient energy source for a range of applications, including transportation and industrial processes. 2. Carbon-neutral fuels. Carbon-neutral fuels are generated from renewable sources and can be used as an alternative to fossil fuels. For example, biofuels, such as ethanol and biodiesel, are made from renewable feedstocks, and can be used in vehicles and machinery without producing net carbon emissions. 3. Artificial photosynthesis. Artificial photosynthesis is a process that uses sunlight to produce fuel by mimicking the natural process of photosynthesis in plants. While still in the early stages of development, this technology has the potential to provide a clean and sustainable source of fuel. Ocean thermal energy conversion. OTEC. OTEC is a process that generates electricity by harnessing the temperature difference between warm surface water and cold deep water in the ocean. This technology has the potential to provide a significant source of renewable energy in tropical regions with consistent ocean temperatures. Overall, the development and adoption of sustainable energy resources are crucial to mitigating climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. While some of these technologies are still in the experimental stages, others, such as solar and wind energy, are becoming increasingly cost-competitive and widely used. As the world continues to prioritize sustainability and the transition to renewable energy, we can expect to see continued investment and development in these and other sustainable energy resources.